Hi, I'm Dave with LED Lighting Supply. In this video, we'll be unboxing the 150 watt HT80, and this is a high temperature, 80 degrees C, 80 degrees Celsius lighting fixture. So that's 176 degrees Fahrenheit. So we do a lot with heavy manufacturing where their building process requires the lighting to be up to that temperature range. We do actually sell other fixtures that are for a higher temperature range that we'll talk about in a future video. But this is IP66 rated, very high quality, and you'll see when we open it up. So here's the fixture out of the box. You'll get a installation and manual that comes with it. You'll notice that we have the electrical specifications listed on the side of the bracket here. And the standard mounting is either going to be this eye hook or the trunnion bracket. And then to access that, you loosen these, it'll swivel up. Get about 3 feet of power cord on this. And as you can see, we have a really heavy duty heat sink that goes around the driver so that you get that heat dissipation when you're hitting those really high temperatures. On the face of the fixture, you can see the LEDs here. It's going to be a 110 degree beam angle is our standard. We can change it up if needed, but what we stock here at our New Hampshire warehouse is the 110 degree angle. This is the 150 watt. We also have lower wattages, and we go up all the way to 450 watt. Again, this is the 176 degree Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Celsius fixture. We use it as a high bay. We can also use it more as like a floodlight if needed. It's a very versatile, very high quality. And if you think that this might be the right fit for your project, feel free to contact us, and one of our lighting specialists can recommend the correct fixture for you.